Alright friends, let's explore the scale utility class in Tailwind CSS. I will use it so many times in our project. So, scaling allows us to resize elements relative to their original size. So the default size is 100%. If I use scale 75, it reduces the element to 75% of its original size. If I use it 125, scale 125, it increases the element of 125% of its original size. So let's check it. I come here, I say instead of rotate, I will use scale. I say scale 75, for example. I come here. Let's refresh it. I need to use original size first. For realizing the difference, you see the original size is this. If I increase one more, if I do 125, you see the difference. I scale it, I increase the elements 125% of its original size. Great. In our project, generally I apply with transition, and I so many times use scale utility classes. Great. See you in the next lesson.